how to make char cloth with these. I only know how to make this char cloth. Why you need char cloth is because if you're going to make a fire, you can't just go around with this. This will not start any fire, and I can tell you that. Because you have to make this into char cloth, and then you need it in little pieces. We'll also make these into char cloth too, which I have no idea how you're going to do. Ingredients. You need a tin box with a hole in the top, so your char cloth will turn into char cloth. You need char to turn it into char cloth. And you need cotton balls. First, we're going to put our ingredients into here. Then you're going to put the lid on and put it on the stove. Oh, we don't know how to use the stove. How will we do it? Well. Look at the turntables. Fine, you can help us. First, we need to turn the element on and put the tin box with the ingredients in it on the stove. Make sure it doesn't catch on fire. And with all the ingredients inside, because of the heat, it makes char cloth. Da 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 da! You definitely want an adult to help you with this part. After this part, once there's no flame and no smoke, turn off the element and wait till it cools down.
A few moments later.
We gathered sticks, we made charcoal, and our next video is to make fire and nest and then a fire. That's what you need to start a fire.